What's up guys, welcome to another video. So today we're playing Don't Press the Button. That thing was so fast. It was so fast. Well, click the door. We can't see what's in there. Okay, we can't see what's in there. Huh? Oh, it exploded. There, I'm the button presser. Whoa. It's so fast. So fast. I almost got hit. Complete the obbies to build a snowman. Okay, so for this one, you gotta speed run. Yeah, this one, you gotta speed run it. Okay. No! You know what? Let's do this one. Ooh. No! Okay, I had no idea that it pushes you. Green light. No! I wish it gave like a timer that counted down like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the night is super close to that side. Okay, press the button, press the button. Okay. Okay. Doing good. Okay, let's go over here. Wait. Oh, I win! Well, I guess we gotta be in the ball pit. Okay. Let's see what I can buy from the shop. Okay. Okay, you cannot just do that when I just spawned in. Zacchio's still alive. I have no idea how she's surviving this. Okay, press. Find 4 missing gears to fix the button. Oh, here's a gear. Insert gear. Find the remaining gears. The button has been repaired. Press. Stay clear of fire. Okay, dodge that. Gonna do it. No! Stop the fire or the berries will explode. Oh no. No. No! Oh, this is easy. This is so easy. So easy. Oh no, no, no! The fuses were stopped. And I'm the one who saved the day. Okay, let's get the most amount of tires. We're gonna be a bit greedy by stealing other people's tires. You have to be greedy for a good life. Whoa, 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 she got a rainbow carpet. You can't do that. You can't have a rainbow carpet and do this. Yeah, you can't have a rainbow carpet and do this. Okay, I'm probably in last place. No, they're blocking me. Whoa, whoa, whoa! There's no killing anyone here. Jump on the logs and reach the end. No! Stop! Yes! Yes, I won! Okay, we won. Ooh, sorry for you. Wouldn't want to be ya. Get the boss to the other side. I'm a fiend. Okay, let's do 2 balls at a time. Just allow it! Okay. Push it. Okay, red team won, and I'm the red team. Okay, deliver the pizza. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, but I don't think this one is not that hard. I mean, just go around this block and then look at the corners. Kind of easy. But if you're AFK, you're not gonna pass. Okay, watch out! Oh, that's TNT. Into the castle. Someone do it before I do. Hey, small dog. I'm taller than you. Oh, look at that thing on top of the castle. It's making like fire lightning. Okay. Knock on the door. Hello? Oh, we got candy! Salami! No, 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 no! This zombie's gonna hit us! Only one door is correct. Reach the end. You do it. Okay, now this. Okay, someone's gotta do it. I'm not doing it. Watch out for the snowballs! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! The snowballs are gonna crush us! Okay, gotta watch out. No! Oh my god! That's so big! Oh my god, it's still going on! This is why we couldn't press the button. Oh no. No. Okay, good. Can't this just end? Avoid falling off. Okay. Oh no. 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 Yes. 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 No. 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 Okay. Okay, oh no. Oh no. I'm about to fall off. Exit to maze. I have a cheat. I can just look where the exit is. Okay, I can't see the exit. Okay. So where's that exit? Where's that exit? Oh my god, there's 19 seconds. Okay, I think there's the exit. I'm not sure, but I think there's the exit. Okay. No, go. No! I was so close. Stay clear, red chocolate. Okay, stop making it go so fast. Okay, we gotta stay away. Okay, we're doing good. Sixth place survived. Well guys, that's the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed.